Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing only what you need, open the sheet, pick the source column, and add a target column for translations. Next, confirm the two-letter language codes. Use auto if unsure, because accurate codes control results. Now, put equals Google Translate, A2, auto, ease into the first target cell and hit enter. This runs a live translation so you can see how Google maps words. Once it returns text, you'll know the formula works and can expand it to more rows. Once the single-cell test works, scale it. Wrap Google Translate in array formula to translate A2 across the whole column automatically, which saves manual copy down. Make sure to translate raw text, not cells containing other formulas. You'll keep data integrity by creating helper columns. If you face many rows or formatting needs, use a short Google Apps script to loop and call the Translate API. This gives batching control, error handling, and lets you respect quotas while keeping performance steady and predictable. To finish, convert live formulas to static translations by copying the translated column and using paste values. This prevents accidental retranslation and rate limit issues. Then, quickly review samples to catch awkward idioms, punctuation problems, or locale differences because machine translation may misinterpret context. Finally, save a clean backup sheet. Troubleshooting tip: if translations stop or return errors, check your Google API quotas and sheet sharing permissions, and verify language code.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.